Seriously, look how beautiful this is. I can't even. It's so pretty. Oh, I love this dragon fruit. I mean, look how big it is. Look, this is like a hand. It's huge. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't even believe how huge it is. This is my hand. It's huge. Oh my god. This is so pretty. We're pollinating our little plant right now. We're hoping we can get fruit off this thing at some point. It's so cool.
It's so pretty.
It's beautiful. This is lucky me.
Is from November 7th of 2020. It's been in the fridge for a long time. I don't know if it's going to do much for it, but I'll try it.
Pollination at its finest.
This one's from November 12th of 2020. Again, fridge. So again,
These plants can't pollinate themselves sometimes, so you have to do it for them.
some of them can if this stigma, or sorry, if this pistil is farther down into these stigmas. This one, you can see it's just past them. It looks like the wind will still help it a little bit.
So cool. I'm going to give you an update on the dragon fruit. It looks like this one's actually going to turn into a fruit. Look how pretty! Our first dragon fruit. Oh my goodness. Should be ready to pick in like a day or two maybe. It's like right at it. So pretty. Can't wait to eat it.
Whoa!
Yes, stop it. No. That's not what it is?
Colors are gonna be. It's pink.
It's pink.
I guess it's gonna be.
Oh, she's beautiful.